What's up, buddy? Happy birthday. I got you a present. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
It's right here.
That's Chris's bike.
Yeah. Just don't tell Chris that.
Don't tell him you gave it to me.
Yeah, don't tell Chris. Oh, everybody's rolling in. Howdy.
Let's BS.
Great looking work for it, decal. A little crooked. Chris, ready to shred?
Shred it, bro.
No looking. Step down. First shot.
Step down? No, I don't know about that one.
What?
That's scary, man.
Dude, you're stealing Dedek's birthday present. I got that for Dedek.
Happy birthday, bud.
Hugged down?
I landed. I was like, oh.
Jeez, yeah. This is the setup right here, boys.
Oh yeah.
I like it. We need to get you a spike.
I've got like 3 more of these helmets. I should bring them and we should start rocking these.
Even race cats get.
And I'm 250 pounds. I mean, it's definitely spread.
Bro, this is your first time riding this bike. You can't
two-strap.
You can't two-strap it. That's too dangerous. Yeah. Dedek's feeling confident too. Oh! Hold up.
My butt.
I think we need to rename this the Dedek Jump, buddy.
I'm no longer confident. My butt cheek took all that.
Again, I appreciate you coming out hot on your first lap. A little warm-up probably wouldn't have hurt. Chris went down on this one earlier too. Oh, what?
Oh, shit.
These boys have been here for 5 minutes. And we got a lot more sketchier dudes showing up later too. This might have been his worst fall because I ain't seen him leave his bike yet. Here, hold that for him. Damn, you lost the Crocs?
I didn't have them in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, well that was the problem, bro.
First mistake.
Dude, everybody just went down. Chris went down, Dedek went down, you went down. I almost don't want to hop on a bike now. I feel like today's cursed already.
Oh, my butt cheek.
Dedek hasn't hit the step down yet.
Or is he?
I haven't hit it yet either. Since we had it, when we built it, it got dark. Dedek says he'll go off it. He'll follow me off it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did it, buddy. Told you I'd do it. I just can't think about it. If I think about it too long, I don't do it. That was so easy.
I told you it was easy. All right, Dedek, you're afraid of your own jump. You're getting good at it. You can hit the step down. 10 times scarier than
I just
jump.
roll off the step down.
Just roll off this jump. You're gonna conquer your jump today, Dedek.
All
right.
We'll see about that.
Christian just issued a challenge to Dedek because Dedek hates this jump. I don't know why. It's literally the least scary jump we got out here. Christian, who doesn't ride, says if Dedek does it, Christian will do it. So, and for everybody, my helmet's missing a top hat. That's why it keeps going like this. You were looking good, buddy. Oh, now you're real looking good.
It just looked comfy over here.
You know, you lose more fuel on the ground than you do riding the bike.
You know, I tried to do one of them tail whip things.
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah.
That was honestly like...
He was scrubbing.
That was honestly the best I've seen form-wise coming up to it.
Yeah, no, I tried doing one of them tail whips and just the rear end caught out a little too on the high end, you know?
Try number 2. All right.
Too slow.
Take 3. Better. A little more speed, but your technique's there, bro.
A little more speed.
You got this. Oh, is Burton going? Now, mind you, these guys are like bricks on 8-year-old dirt bikes, all right? You probably could have rode that one out.
I don't know what happened. It was underneath me and then it wasn't.
All right, Christian's up. Oh, we're off to a good start, Christian. These 4 bikes. Uh-oh. No, fail!
First time.
I mean, yeah, you committed.
My first time.
You committed. Oh, take 2 for Christian. Mischief. Oh, he's still going for it. He doesn't care. He's going for it. Oh my God. Nope. Bad. All bad.
Hey, he's still riding though.
Yeah,
He drove it off of that jump.
He's just like a big bulldozer. He just like goes through it.
He's doing a backflip.
Oh, you coached him?
Yeah.
Oh, we're cruising now. We got some speed. Yeah! faster. Oh no.
Hell yeah! Oh, with the split!
I didn't know you was a cheerleader, dog.
Hell yeah!
That's actually okay. I'm doing that again.
All right.
Yeah, once you act
that
like
was
it's
cool.
intimidating and then you hit it and you're like, oh, that wasn't too bad.
That's actually not.
This is why we're full-size dudes on little bikes, because that happens and you get back up and do it again.
Hell yeah, that's killer. I want to do it again.
All right.
Hell yeah. You stood up too late.
Hey, buddy. Derek's birthday. He wants to destroy his truck.
Oh, what's he gonna do with it?
We
Throw
can't-
rocks at it?
Yeah, we're gonna throw rocks at it.
Oh.
Lots of rocks. The old E32's got some balls. Little tippy, little tippy. I mean, try and climb it. Front tire on that tire. I mean, slower. Oh yeah, I forgot you're only two-wheel drive, huh? All right, you're just gonna jack up the back fenders there. I think Dedek's just shooting for the most fender damage and body panel damage to the Jeep that he can off of a stationary truck. Yep, that's definitely what he's doing. Ah, it's still moving.
It's all bugging and it got.
It's still moving. I don't think Geico's gonna cover this one. Hey, try and ramp it up the wheel.
You got one tire fire over here. I thought you said it had a locker in it.
No, you gotta get the wheel on the wheel. There you go.
There you go.
A little faster. I don't know what you broke, but a little faster. He gave up?
He gave up. He said he got to poop.
Valiant try for a one-wheel drive Jeep. You ready, Fernando?
Ready.
Let's go. I'll light the way for you, buddy, even though you got super cool wheel lights. Fern, you gotta use the clutch, Fern. You gotta use the clutch. So the truck was leaking a little bit of fuel the way it was sitting, so I had to flip it around so that the hole that Dedek put in the tank was facing uphill. Right now we're heading over to the pit bike track to do a little bit of night riding, because what could go wrong there? No. It's part of our junkyard. You can put it in my bucket. Woo! Alright, so last night got a little crazy and long. I've been having a lot of camera issues lately, so, oh jeez, and the sun is bright right now. So unfortunately I've been missing some footage, but let me just assure you, we had some fun last night. You can see the flatbed truck still up on the hillside over there. We've got a herd of donkeys passing us in the sunrise. So this morning we're heading over to our buddy Nick, the detailer shop, and I'll get more in depth on why once we get there. All right, let's see what we got going on at Genesis Detailing today. We got Big Nick out here. What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
How you doing, man? Fresh back from the desert?
This one is. I'm back.
It's not bad.
You always.
It's not bad.
It'll come on. We're good. We're good.
All right. So Nick's working like always today, hustling, getting cars in and out. I hit him with the last minute. We're not gonna call it a full paint correction because the truck doesn't need a full paint correction. It's a brand new paint job. But anytime you get a paint job, they kind of do like a quick wet sand. They don't do a full buff of the paint. And we've got some stuff planned for this truck for tomorrow, actually. So I needed a last minute polish for the truck. And I don't know how happy Nick is with me for springing this on him last minute, but he was up for the challenge. He doesn't back down. The truck is clearly a little bit dirty here, and you can kind of see, I don't know exactly what the heck is going on there with all these little dots right there, but yeah, no clue what that is. Good to see, I don't know if you guys remember this truck. This is TJ's truck from years ago. He actually got this truck built at Preston's. I happened to be at Preston's the day he was coming to pick it up. They said he was a big fan of the channel, so I actually got to surprise TJ and drive his truck out to him. Cool to see that he's over here with our boy Nick.
Gordon.
There you go. What are we doing to it?
We're doing a level 2 correction and coating. It's gonna be a one-step correction, remove all the swirls and scratches, then put some coating on it.
Nice. Look at this. Look at Nick's new setup over here.
Right there.
Look at that. I've seen a setup similar to this.
No, never like this.
Not like this?
Not as high quality, you know. We got a retail side here now too.
Oh, look at this.
All owner's pride stuff's for sale in-house.
There you go.
I use it on your cars. Why not sell it to you guys? Keep it simple.
Oh. Woo. We all know Nick is very proud of his towels. He is a towel snob, all right? But good to see you finally moved over to the electric pressure washer. It's where it's at, dude.
It is, for sure. Like, gas is horrible now. Like, ask Jacob, him and I just literally talk so much shit about a gas one now that we have this. This is more pressure than my gas one.
Yeah,
So
they're nice. They're quieter. They're everything. It's better.
It's on, but it's not. I don't hear it.
Yep. You don't have to shut it off. None of that stuff. What the heck is this piece of junk rolling up? Hey, there ain't no Rams allowed over here, buddy.
What the hell is the ranch farm truck doing here in a detail shop?
Nah, the single cab's the farm truck. This is becoming a show truck.
You know, I was just stopped by. I gotta park now. Hold on.
I know you weren't just in the neighborhood because you don't daily drive this thing. Now you're full of it now.
No. I actually had to go to work and had some issues on.
Do you know how to drive?
I can't see.
You need some phone books to sit on?
No, hold on, let me go to my cameras here. Hold on.
Okay, all right.
Hold on. We got. How do I adjust this thing?
It's broken.
Not really sure what's going on here, but all right, we'll just pull forward.
Hey, I think this thing backfired when he shut it off. Dude, it's running a little rough.
It's It's a little rough, dude.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's not no Duramax. It's a real diesel right here. We're coming right here, baby.
Oh.
It's some real horsepower, real torque.
I'll give you torque. I don't know about the horsepower.
Yeah, horsepower.
I'll give you torque.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, this is American 250 horsepower of American muscle right here.
Listen, I'm looking right now. Anybody out there that's selling an 06 Cummins, I was gonna try to keep it a secret, but I can't find one. I'm looking for an 06 Cummins. It has to be white. So stop sending me blue, yellow,
Tan.
black. Tan. It has to be white, guys.
So make sure you guys find one, because he just paid me $250 for that spot on the channel to ask for one.
Yeah. So I need one, white, please.
Look at that. See, when you're a part of the VIP club here at Genesis Detailing, they'll polish out your sunglasses for you too. Look at that before. Hold on, I don't know how good it's gonna show up on the scratches on that bad boy. And then the after. Woo! Look at that. Look how bad that before was. Look at that after right there. There's the big money VIP club right here.
Want to spray them to coat these after for you? Make sure when it rains, you don't take these off, you know?
Dang.
Bam, brand new again. You know what's cool about this polish though? Is on like cars and trim, it doesn't make them turn white.
Yeah.
Turn white.
See, it's perfect. Y'all are set up for this.
The right products, man.
All right, y'all. Well, I mean, you can see we got here this morning and the sun is already going down. The boys over here have been putting in some work. Well, just look at how absolutely glossy and wet this truck looks. Nick did a killer job on this thing. This is just a single stage.
Yeah,
being that this was pretty much a brand new paint job, but he could do this on pretty much any vehicle, right?
Yeah, so like this car right here is brand new. Do the same thing, one-step correction, just take apart all like the dealership rolls and scratches. Cars don't come perfect anymore and it's kind of sad, but I thank him for it because obviously I wouldn't be in business without it. So,
but even if you don't have something that needs a single stage, you can do up to what, 3 stage?
There's up to, I call it just a multi-stage, depending 1, 2, 3. So 1 step, then there's a 2 step, and the 3rd step's just like going back and chasing the deeper ones. So you do the initial 2, then you go back and chase the 3.
Obviously, if you guys need something done, Genesis Detailing,
Let's do it.
let's do
We
it.
need to get the shop facility up and running. Mobiles for maintenance now, so whatever you need, just give us a call.
It's true. They bring you lunch too while you're at the shop. Well, that's Jacob. Jacob? Thank you. Don't flip me off. I was gonna thank you for lunch, buddy. You're the best, man. All right, y'all. So with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now. That you do not miss out on any future content. Like what the next plan is for this, or like what the next plan is for this truck. Nick's just getting her prepared. We got some bigger plans. I know I look like absolute crap. My allergies have been killing me today, and the dust in this shop is not helping. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. And of course, my phone rings every time. You guys are the best. Nick, take it.
Roll the outro.
Damn.